Welcome to this video. My name is Mutoni. Today I bring you a simple recipe as we are making a delicious and nutritious juice from watermelon peels. Like you can see from the video, it looks so appetizing, I can say. Yeah, so watch this video till the end because you might learn something. To make this juice we need watermelon peels. Like you can see, I have already set them aside, and I have this ginger, fresh ginger, and what I'm going to do is to peel the ginger, and I'm using the back of a spoon because it's pretty easier to do it with a spoon. And then I'm going to cut the ginger into smaller pieces, like you can see, for easier blending because we'll be using a blender later on. So I'm just cutting them into smaller pieces. Next we need 1 lemon, and again we cut it into smaller pieces and remove the seeds. Take out as much seeds as you can because they might make the juice bitter. Do the same to the other half lemon. Cut it, remove seeds, ready for blending. Transfer all that to a blender. Transfer the watermelon, ginger and lemon to a blender, and then add 1 cup water. You can use lukewarm water or cold water. I decided to use lukewarm water, and let's blend it. After blending, this is how it looks like. Next we are going to sieve it to get the juice now, and I can say we are almost done. After sieving, we are only going to sweeten the juice and it's ready for intake. Our juice is ready, and I'm just going to serve it in these glasses. And at this point you can sweeten with either sugar or honey. I decided to use honey because I love how it tastes when added to lemon and ginger. And that's it, guys. It's so simple to make and so delicious. Yeah, 1 teaspoon honey, like you can see, and stir that. Ready to drink. I can tell you guys,